For the last few years, we've had a small MetFab press brake in the custom fabrication area of our build shop. The piece of equipment is so handy when you're forming small, custom one-off bracketry. When we had the opportunity to team up with MetFab and install one of their new Rebel Series press brakes in our new manufacturing facility, we were really excited. We know that MetFab is known for high-quality construction and great customer service. With the demand for our Hauk off-road brand of parts continuing to grow, we needed to upgrade our cutting and bending equipment. This brand new MetFab press brake is going to be an awesome way for us to keep up with the demand and make sure that our quality stays right where it needs to be. The crew from MetFab came in, walked us through the entire setup process, and helped us to troubleshoot any possible problems we'd have in the future. And then one of the nicest features is that the MetFab computer system is actually linked to the internet. So anytime we have any issues or questions, they can remote access our computer system, get in there, help us adjust what needs to be adjusted, make the necessary changes, and keep us running. Our old press brake was slow, inaccurate, and took a tremendous amount of time to set it up for each one of our processes. Not so with the MetFab press brake. Next thing you know, we had all of our programs dialed in, part would pop up onto our screen, and we could immediately start bending. That cut down on a lot of wasted time in between runs and batches, and really increased productivity in our shop.
So on production time, the MetFab press brake has helped us out tremendously. We can get out one bumper the old way and it would take 2-3 hours, but now we're building 6 bumpers in that 2-3 hour period. So the production fact of it, it's helped us tenfold.
Having this MetFab Rebel press brake on our production floor has made a world of difference. It increases our production efficiency and decreases our prototyping time. To me, a big plus with this machine is the very short learning curve involved with setup and operation. Being able to set up, turn on the machine, and be bending parts within a minute is a huge advantage for our production.
Being able to have that piece of equipment in the shop along with our Alpha laser, now there was nothing that we couldn't cut and bend, and there's no better feeling for a person who's a fabricator or a builder than to have the pieces that you're designing coming out perfectly accurate just as you want them.